Are you ready to unlock the door to your financial freedom? Imagine a life where you're in total control of your money, not the other way around. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful tool that can transform the way you think about budgeting, the 50-30-20 rule. Let's make managing money exciting, empowering, and achievable for you. The power of simplicity. At its core, the 50-30-20 rule is all about simplicity. No complicated spreadsheets or confusing calculations here. Just 3 categories to master. 50% for needs like housing, groceries, and bills. 30% for wants like dining out, hobbies, and entertainment. And 20% for savings and debt repayment, because your future self deserves it. It's not just a budget. It's a mindset, a roadmap to turning your dreams into reality. Now let's understand why it works for everyone. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is its flexibility. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or building your emergency fund, this rule adapts to your life. It helps you focus on what matters most while eliminating the stress of unnecessary spending. The result? Peace of mind and financial clarity. Tips to make it work for you. Here's how to start. 1. Automate your savings. Pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or retirement accounts as soon as you get paid. 2. Track your spending. Use budgeting apps to keep an eye on where your money goes. It's easier than ever to stay on track. 3. Adjust to your life. If 50-30-20 doesn't fit perfectly, tweak it. The goal is to find a balance that works for you. Why you'll love this rule? The 50-30-20 rule isn't just about managing money. It's about giving yourself the freedom to live the life you've always dreamed of. You'll not only gain accountability, but also discover what truly matters to you. It's time to stop letting money control you and start making your money work for you. Are you ready to take the first step? Subscribe to this channel for more tips, and let's journey together toward financial freedom. The 50-30-20 rule is your ticket to a brighter, stress-free future. Let's make it happen. Take control of your finances today. You've got this.